Hello and welcome to Rocket Lever. Let us explore what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model and is trained on a dataset of conversational text. It is designed to generate human-like responses to text input and can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as question answering, text completion, and conversation generation. ChatGPT is trained on a dataset of conversational text, which means it has been exposed to a wide variety of conversations and can generate responses that are appropriate for different contexts and situations. It uses deep learning techniques, specifically a transformer architecture, to understand the meaning of the input text and generate a response. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks or used as a general-purpose language model. For example, it can be fine-tuned for customer service chatbots, language translation, or question answering. ChatGPT can also generate full coherent paragraphs, stories, or even articles. It can also be used for text summarization, dialogue generation, and much more. In short, ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like responses to text input and has a wide range of potential applications in natural language processing. What are the jobs ChatGPT can do? ChatGPT can perform a variety of tasks, such as responding to natural language text input in a conversational manner, generating text, such as writing essays, articles, and stories, summarizing text, translating text from one language to another, answering questions, creating chatbot interfaces, automating customer service and support. These are just a few examples, but ChatGPT can be adapted for a wide range of applications. In the future, it is possible that certain jobs that involve repetitive or structured tasks may be automated by ChatGPT or similar language models. Examples of such jobs include data entry and data analysis. ChatGPT can be trained to process and analyze large amounts of data, potentially reducing the need for human data entry and analysis. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate written content such as news articles, product descriptions, and marketing materials, which could potentially reduce the need for human writers in certain contexts. Customer service and support. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbot interfaces that can handle simple customer inquiries and support requests, potentially reducing the need for human customer service representatives. It's important to note that the jobs which are repetitive in nature, which can be easily automated with the help of GPT, and the jobs which are more complex in nature and require creativity, critical thinking, and empathy might not be replaced by GPT and will still require human workers. And also, the advancements in GPT and other AI models will also create new jobs and opportunities in the field of AI and technology. The future of ChatGPT. The future of ChatGPT and other large language models is likely to involve continued development and advancements in the underlying technology. Some potential areas of focus include improving the quality and coherence of generated text. Researchers are working to improve the naturalness and coherence of text generated by language models like ChatGPT, making it more difficult for humans to distinguish between machine-generated and human-written text. Developing more specialized models. ChatGPT is a general-purpose language model, but in future, we could see more specialized models developed for specific tasks or industries, such as medical or legal language understanding. Incorporating more structured data. Language models like ChatGPT currently rely primarily on unstructured text data, but in future, they could be trained on more structured data, such as tables and graphs, to generate more accurate and informative output, improving the ability to handle more complex tasks. As the model's ability to understand and generate text improves, it will be able to handle more complex tasks, such as writing a novel, composing a song, or even writing a code. Integration with other AI technologies. ChatGPT could be integrated with other AI technologies, such as computer vision and speech recognition, to create more versatile and capable AI systems. Overall, the future of ChatGPT and other large language models is likely to involve continued development and advancements in the underlying technology, which will enable them to be used in more diverse and sophisticated ways. What is exceptional in ChatGPT? There are several things that make ChatGPT exceptional among large language models. Scale. ChatGPT is a very large language model. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text, allowing it to understand and generate a wide variety of language patterns and styles. Quality of generated text. ChatGPT is capable of generating text that is coherent, fluent, and similar in style and tone to the text it has been trained on. It can generate text that is difficult for humans to distinguish from text written by a human. Flexibility. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. Efficiency. ChatGPT is capable of processing large amount of text data quickly, making it suitable for real-time applications such as chatbot interfaces. Multitasking. ChatGPT can perform multiple language-based tasks such as answering questions, translating, summarizing, writing essays, composing stories, etc. Advancement. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced models in terms of understanding and generating language text, and it is expected to continue to improve as researchers continue to work on the model. Overall, ChatGPT's ability to generate high-quality text, its flexibility and efficiency, and its ability to perform multiple language-based tasks make it an exceptional tool for a wide range of natural language processing applications. How well ChatGPT can code. ChatGPT has been trained on a large dataset of text, including code, so it has some understanding of programming concepts and syntax. However, it is not specifically designed or optimized for code generation. It can generate code snippets based on the examples it has seen during the training phase, but the generated code may not always be syntactically correct, efficient, or secure. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to generate code snippets in a particular programming language, but even then, it may not be able to generate complex, well-structured, and efficient code like a human developer does. It can also be used as a code completion tool, suggesting possible next lines of code, or a code summarizer by generating a brief summary of the code's functionality. It's important to note that code generation is a challenging task that requires not only knowledge of programming concepts and syntax, but also an understanding of the problem domain, software design principles, and best practices. Therefore, ChatGPT, or any other AI model, is not a replacement for human developers, but rather it can be used as an assistive tool for developers. We will discuss more about ChatGPT in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching Rocket Lever. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.